she wanna act like a groupie. She being picky and choosy, only dogs, no rubies. Hit on my phone on the daily, I ain't feeling that lately. When the sky goes navy, I'll be calling you my baby. You up in my bed, how we getting ahead? All the shit that you leave it behind. I'll be taking my time, saying goodbye. And if the world starts moving tonight, would you be there? I've been downtown, driving through lights. Girl, do you care? And your words been taking my life. It isn't fair. It isn't fair now. Tell me, do you care now? World starts moving tonight, would you be there? I've been downtown, driving through lights. Girl, do you care? And your words been taking my life. It isn't fair now. Tell me, do you care now? Lift up your tweet your gospel truth. You draw lines inside your game. Amazing. What a shame. You found yourself a curved space. Tantalize your audience face. Rebel thoughts are chased away in your sanctuary. You always think you're right, and you're so sure yet the emperor's not golden. You paint the town right red till you can't breathe. All asphyxiated, lying under concrete. Bring forth the chaos you have sought. March towards the war you never fought. This pleasure oozes from your mouth. That power eats you inside out. The walls that come to break. Your plastic soldiers have no name. They spread like acid in your room. Sit back and smile at the view. Your world is hanging by a thread. Glories in your sanctuary is a fake.
นัดกูก็ไม่ใช่แต่กูมาหาเปลี่ยนหาเขาดูดิโคตรสุดเสียโคตรสุดยอดอะ
So we have to do is pick it up.